Hello, year one. Welcome to your flipped classroom maths. So, one of our learning objectives for next week will be, can I measure height? Your turn. Fantastic. So, we've practiced this already, haven't we? But we're going to be doing it in school, and we're going to be doing a special measuring challenge, okay? So first we need to think about all the different things to remember when we're measuring height. So when we measure height, we usually measure from the bottom to the top. Yeah? So whatever we're measuring, we start from the bottom and we measure to the top because we're talking about the distance from the bottom to the top. So vertical, that's what it's called when we go upwards, when we measure upwards, the vertical length. Okay. When we measure the height of a person, see this little child here, we measure from their feet down there to their head. So what we do, we make sure that 0 is the bottom number, 0 lines up with the floor. Then we draw a straight line. Actually, let me get a straight line. That would be an easier thing to do. We draw a straight line from the top of the head to the numbers, and then we read the measurement. But there are a couple of things we need to remember. Okay, first things first, when we're measuring, we always start from 0. Okay, so when you're looking at your ruler, figuring out which end to use, you have to start from the 0, otherwise the measurement won't be correct. The second thing we need to remember is when we're measuring the height of something, we always need to make sure our ruler or our tape measure is straight. If it's bendy, then it's not going to be measuring the height properly. Okay, so do you think you could remember those two things for me and tell me on Monday what the rules for measuring height are? Start at 0 and make sure your ruler is straight. Okay, fantastic. So when we're measuring other things, it's the same. So I'm going to do one example for you because on Monday you will be measuring all sorts of different things to check their height, okay? So we're going to measure the height of this flower. We're going to measure from its feet or from the bottom to its head or to the top. So here's what we do. We need to line up our ruler so that the bottom of the flower is in line with the 0. Oh, look at that. I did that perfectly, didn't I? We line the bottom with the 0. Then we can read across from the top of the flower to the closest number on the ruler. And for this example, our closest number is, what number is that there? 7. Fantastic. So the flower is 7 centimeters tall. Okay, let's my turn, your turn. The flower is 7 centimeters tall. Fantastic. That's all I have to remind you of, okay? So if you can keep those two rules in your head, maybe if you have a ruler at home, you could practice measuring the height of some things this weekend so that when you come to school on Monday, you're ready to show us your measuring ruler skills. Okay? So that's the end. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you Monday. I can't wait to start our measuring challenge together. Okay? Bye.